Welcome to our comparison video where we dive into the features and specifications of two popular countertop ice makers, the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker and the Electactic Ice Maker's countertop. We'll explore their ice production capabilities, design, and unique features to help you decide which one is right for you. Let's get started. The Silonn Nugget Ice Maker produces soft, chewable nugget ice, which is perfect for drinks and easy to chew. In contrast, the Electactic Ice Maker's countertop produces bullet-shaped ice cubes that are great for chilling beverages, but may not be as enjoyable to chew. Depending on your preference for ice texture, this could be a deciding factor in your choice. When it comes to pricing, the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $249, making it a premium option. On the other hand, the Electactic Ice Maker's countertop is much more affordable at just $89. If budget is a significant factor for you, the Electactic model offers great value without sacrificing essential features. In terms of daily ice production, the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker outperforms the Electactic model, producing 33 pounds of ice per day compared to the 26 pounds from the Electactic. This higher output can be crucial for larger gatherings or frequent use, making the Silonn a better choice for those who need a lot of ice. In conclusion, both the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker and the Electactic Ice Maker's countertop have their unique strengths. The Silonn offers premium nugget ice and higher production capacity, while the Electactic provides a budget-friendly and portable option. Consider your needs and preferences before making a decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.